My name is Bradley James Dry. I'm a Cherokee chef based in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So I'm going to be making a vegetarian version of meat pies, and I'm going to be using the Three Sisters, which I love to use in almost every recipe, which is corned bean and squash. And instead of frying it, I'll be baking it at a high temperature, so there's no need for extra oil. They're high in fiber from the beans, and there's a lot of natural sugars in there, so I don't have to add anything extra. The zucchinis are really good at, once you cook them, they break down and they kind of thicken the filling without adding extra flour. I usually take at least 6 or 7 different types of vegetables, dice them down pretty small. I just saute them really quick, leaving them a little firm. Don't cook them as long as normally with any other kind of vegetable for like a soup or anything. I will cook that all together, season it, let it cool. I'll make a dough, fill the pies up, by hand, and then bake them for 20 minutes. I was doing a dinner one night and beef pies were on the menu, and there was a surprise, an extra person that came in and they were vegetarian. So on the fly, I had to figure out how to make the same version but using only vegetables, and that's where it stemmed from. They're definitely a healthier version of the pies compared to the beef, and I honestly think they taste better.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Ganyaki. I'm a dietitian and the nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Ta, Toragoon.
Today we are making Three Sisters salad. For this recipe, you will need a 15-ounce can of kidney beans, rinsed and drained, a 15-ounce can of corn, rinsed and drained, 1 small yellow squash, chopped, 1 large green bell pepper, chopped, half of a small red onion, diced, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, the juice of 1 lemon, 3 to 4 tablespoons, a teaspoon of black pepper, this is optional. In a large bowl, combine beans, corn, squash, pepper, and onion. Like most recipes, you can make this one your own. Try it with red, white, yellow, green, or wild onions, kidney, black, or pinto beans, or add more vegetables. Try canned or fresh tomatoes. Next, in a small bowl, whisk together vegetable oil and lemon juice. Pour dressing over vegetables. Add black pepper if desired, and toss to combine. The Otoe word for corn is waduje. For Native Americans, corn is a staple food. Corn can be added to all types of dishes, dried for storing, or ground into cornmeal. Growing corn meant families could stay in one place instead of following animals for food. This allowed for strong relationships with immediate and extended family. And of course, family is the center of Native American culture. Serve right away or chill for later. This recipe makes 10 servings. 1 serving is half a cup. Enjoy!